G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a denim jacket that I've just bought, and it's slowly turning into one of my favorite jackets. I was a bit hesitant to get a denim jacket, but this one's a bit different in that it's a lined denim jacket. So this is it, as you can see, denim, but fully lined with this fleecy lining. It's 100% cotton, and it just adds to whatever you're wearing. It automatically makes you look more stylish. So I'm just wearing this like long sleeve t-shirt, pop this on the top, and it just completes an outfit so well. And you know, I'm just wearing these denim track pants as well. So yeah, I'm loving this jacket. It's from Industrie, which is an Australian brand, but many different brands do lined jackets, and it's warm, it's stylish, you know, just light to wear, casual, but looks pretty fashionable at the same time. And what I like about this as well is you can layer it. So I'll show you, you can actually layer it with something as casual as a hoodie. So that's the hoodie, is on, very casual look. Some may say it's too casual, like you can't just rock a hoodie to a lot of different functions and events. But add a denim jacket, have the hoodie out, and all of a sudden you're looking like $1 million. So yeah, it is my favorite jacket actually at the moment. And I highly recommend it if you're coming into winter. In Australia, it's winter, it's cold. It's suiting me great. I know in America and Europe, it's gonna be winter soon. So keep an eye out for these kinds of jackets. Also, I like the color. I like the lighter coloring. And there was different types. There was another light one, but it had less detailing around the pockets. So that's another reason why I bought this one. But anyway, I will leave a link in the description for you if you're interested. It's actually called the Stuyvesant Sherpa jacket. 100% cotton, warm, light, and fashionable. Anyway guys, that will be the video for today. Let me know what you think of the jacket in the comments below, and I'll see you all next time.